Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Here's the third video on the Thor range. This is the one right here. We bought this about a year ago and a $3,000 range, by the way. This is 36 inches across. We love the look. We love a lot of things about it, but check it out. We had the first one delivered. The door did not close all the way. Check out my other videos to see about that one. Here's the new range, which the door still didn't close completely, but it seemed like it was better. And over time, it's getting worse and worse. By the way, this has only been in. And if I open this, you can kind of see, like you can see into the oven from the sides. And let me go on this side right here too. This one, I think you can even see. So we have something cooking there. Like literally the door does not shut all the way. And just to show you, like you can't even like push it shut. As soon as you let go, it like goes back to this position right here. So even if you try to shut it, it does not shut all the way. There's the bottom, there's the top. So it's obviously a defect in this range, but anyway, so incredibly frustrating. Thor, you guys are absolutely driving us crazy. We've had so many phone calls, so many back and forths. $3,000 range. We paid also to have it installed. The first one was installed. Thor sent us out the second one, but refused to pay to have it installed. So we had to do it ourselves or hire a professional to do it and pay for that. And now the new one is doing the same thing, and it seems to be getting a little worse. And a little worse, and a little worse. Absolutely ridiculous. Cannot tell you how frustrated we are. There it is. Look at that, right? You can literally see the light inside the range. So incredibly frustrating. All right, friends. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Check out the playlist under the Thor range. This is the third video I have up and going, and I'll keep updating this. Thor, I hope you guys make better choices. I hope you return this for free, give us an equal one, and install it.